Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be showing you another tip on how to rename files in your file manager. Now remember, we're going to be using files, which is the default file manager that comes with Android phones. Now some of us may have files manager, other apps, like another one. It's another one. So we're going to be looking at the main Google Files, which is this app which most of you have on your Android phones. Now how to do that? We're going to be using another image. Now open another image segment. How do we now rename files quickly from this segment? The last time we used the same image, and when we edited it, we were able to change the name to Man on the Mask. Now assuming we have to change this name back to the mask guy, how do we change this? Now we have to go back from this segment, and if we choose our options here, we cannot find anything as rename. So let's go back to the image folder. Now this is the images, and from here I can just click and hold on it to select this file. Then I'll click on the menu option, and then I can find rename here. So I will just click on rename, so I can just change it, the mask guy. So by doing this, I click on OK. Now the name has changed, so I can just click on open, and then I click on it, the mask guy. The name has changed. This is another tip on how to change it. Then another also is for you to simply move on to your list level. Now in this way, your files, your images are currently showing in the thumbnail format. You can just change it to your list format. So when you have a list format, it's now showing uh, just like we had it from our usual files and storage section in our previous video. So from this segment, we can simply just change the image. So let's assume we want to change this one. We can just click on this image. We will just have to click on these three dots here. Then we'll click on rename. Then from rename, we can change it. Mask guy, black and white. So remember, we have to leave the extension as it is. Then we'll click on OK. So it has changed. This is another different way in which you can change your file names also. So this is a very quick pattern for you to change your file names. This is also applicable to other types of files. For example, I have the document section. Now after I like to load, then we can easily change the names of any of these. Coming to rename here, full version crack. Full version crack of what? I can just say full version crack of editor. Then I click on OK. So by clicking on OK, I have successfully renamed it. So you can see that it is applicable to all forms of files, even videos as well. You can quickly go to the rename, and then I'll choose any of these, and then I'll set this. I'll set it to ABC video. Yeah, ABC video. Remember, I'm leaving out the MP4 format. Then I'll click on OK. So with this, I have been able to change the name of my file very easily. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you're a returning visitor, please also subscribe, and do not forget to share this video, share it to your loved ones in order for them to be able to perform tips and tricks, and also subscribe to ensure that you get latest videos that I post. Thank you.